2023-12-08. No satisfaction. Thailand, Prachwap Kirikan. The sun recently arrived with its brilliance in the haze. I laugh at myself in my silence, I swear at the man who mows the lawn outside the balcony. Partly I'm allergic, but he disturbs my morning routine with peace and quiet, on the 8th of December. I'm used to far way more negative temperatures and shoveling snow this time of year, to complain about someone mowing the grass when it's plus 28°C, 2 weeks before Christmas Eve sitting in only shorts and sweating with my morning coffee, watching the sunrise. And I know it will be warmer in just a few. Music affects me in my everyday life enormously. One Republic, Love Runs Out is such a song. I have a yardstick for good music, and it's when you stomp the parquet floor in the living room to a V shape, with your boots. Sounds like an exaggeration, it happened at our American football team party many years ago. That was just one party of many, ended with us having to pull one teammate's head back through the hole he came from, in the plaster wall. We lost the gold and the championship that year. We were good but not the best, and it still bothers me, almost 30 years later. Be the best or not at all. Good sucks, and I am straight up. I still see pictures from that game in my head, no joke. The day offers nothing, and I'm so okay with that. The only company I never bother with is my own. My last time it took 2 weeks of complete isolation in them Spanish mountains. Not a single word was said or heard, not even music or movies. Nothing, and I mean no sound. But when I started hearing things, I called a friend in the next city. I always have at least 2 plans: life, the way to the store, or which shoe I put my foot in first, always 2 or more. I know that the only thing I can do is hope that life will take me where I desire and within the time I have set aside. But, if it takes me 3 years to get to Spain and I happen to get stuck in some other country on my way, for a month or a year, so be it. You can't say la vida loca without first say, fuck it.